In this video, I will be guiding you through how to add ElevenLabs Voice in CapCut. So head over to your text to speech option and you can see we are going to be changing this to something else. Hey, this is my CapCut video tutorial and great to see you around. So you can type in here anything that you like and just simply generate your audio. Make sure to choose the best audio that you got or you want to use. Like for example, in my case, I want to use Hope or maybe anything that is available over here. You can see we can use Liam. And yeah, so generate your audio. Hold on a bit until it loads up. It is going to be providing you the audio. You
Hey,
can
this
download it.
is my CapCut video tutorial, and great to see you around.
Now, before proceeding forward, I would tell you about 50% off onto their subscription plans to unlock even more features. So you can head over to the link in the description below. Okay, so we can use this in CapCut now. So now you need to switch over to CapCut, which is right over here. And all you need to do is simply drag this inside your CapCut. So let me just switch to CapCut and import it. And here you can see I have my audio. You can add it onto your timeline.
Hey, this is my CapCut video tutorial.
And you can even apply your effects. So let me show you that it is working. By the way, you can get 50% off onto your ElevenLabs audio subscription and enjoy the best out of ElevenLabs. So why not, if you're getting flat 50% off? And yeah, so you can see you can apply all type of effects inside our CapCut. You can even generate your captions and apply that onto your video if you want to do. You can see we have all of these effects going on. So that's how easy it is, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video.
Hey, this is my CapCut video tutorial, and great to see you around.